How to check if your email is real or fake. Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, phishing attacks, a common method scammers use to trick you into giving away your personal information. Let's dive into how these attacks happen and what you can do to stay safe online. So first up, misspelled website names. Have you ever noticed small spelling mistakes in website URLs? For example, instead of Facebook, you might see Facebook with an extra O. Scammers use these tiny changes to trick you into thinking you're on the official website, but in reality, you're on a fake page designed to steal your information. Next, let's talk about those weird emails we all get sometimes. These emails often create a sense of urgency by saying things like, "Your account is about to be locked," or "You've won a huge prize, but you need to claim it now." The goal here is to make you panic and act without thinking. Rule number 1, never click on suspicious links in these emails. Even if it looks legit, always double check. If you think it's from a real company, go directly to their website by typing in the URL yourself. Don't trust the link in the email. Another tip, never share your personal information, like passwords or credit card details, through email or messages. No genuine company will ever ask for these details in this way. If something feels off, trust your gut. Phishing scammers want you to react quickly. So remember, whenever you see an email telling you to act immediately, it's a red flag. Take a moment, stay calm, and think before you click. That's it for today's video. Stay safe online and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.